Hi, my name is Merlin, and I'm here to talk to you about my perspective on what life is. It is my intention that this information given here will empower you and help you in some way. All of our journeys in life are different, but maybe some parts of this, the majority of, or indeed all of this talk, will be useful to you. Let's get started, shall we? Have you ever wondered what life is? We just sort of came into existence a while back, didn't we? We were born and grew up. Everyone around us was moving around doing things, so we just sort of joined in somehow. We can't quite place the start of this life, can we? We can't quite remember it all. Certainly not in one go, anyway. But it is here. Time is passing and things keep happening. There is the ground below, which everything seems to move around on, and a great height above, the top of which is rather distant at best guess. We are in our bodies, which we look after. We look after our things and our friends too. And here we are, at large in the world, free, breathing, living, being. We can think about things, lots of things. Everything has a name and a relationship. We carry the story of ourselves around, growing larger each day. We sometimes follow rules that are never really spoken about. From the beginning, we just sort of joined in. By and large, we followed along. That's just the way it was. But what is this thing that's happening to us? What are we experiencing? What is the best understanding of all this? At the most fundamental level of this reality, this universe, there is only one thing. It is the same thing that is the very core of you under many layers and levels of your consciousness. And it is your consciousness. Consciousness is the very building blocks of all of this reality, the very first subatomic quantum components that eventually make up all energies, atoms, and physical objects, from a distant star to a beer can. It is every emotion, every thought. The friend of consciousness is the energy that comes racing forth from it.